Let's get back to 2020. That was a COVID time at that time. FSC pre-engineering, I just completed that. I got overall second position in my tehsil. So I was a brilliant student at that time. But getting higher education was a very tough for me because I was belong to very humble background. So उस टाइम पे आई वाज थिंकिंग कि कोई यूनिवर्सिटी है जो कि फुली फंडेड 4 साल के लिए मुझे BS ऑफर कर सके. देन देयर वाज वन ऑफ माय फ्रेंड अली हसन हु वाज देन बिकम माय क्लासमेट एट नमल यूनिवर्सिटी कि ये एक यूनिवर्सिटी है नमल यूनिवर्सिटी. देन आई अप्लाई नमल एंड एज वेल एज अदर यूनिवर्सिटीज़. जब मेरा एडमिशन नमल यूनिवर्सिटी में हो गया एट फुली फंडेड स्कॉलरशिप आई गॉट a full fee waiver and tuition fee as well as free hostel accommodation as well. Then I decided why not to go over there. It was a very tough decision for me because moving from Gujranwala towards Mianwali, it's a very tough decision for me. But जब मैं नमल यूनिवर्सिटी गया then I proved myself like this was one of my best decision of my life. Myself is Mohammad Awais. I am from Gujranwala. I started my journey at Namal University in 2020. We belong to very first batch of mathematics at Namal University in 2020. If I talk about curriculum, so curriculum के अंदर हमारे पास बहुत से जो कोर्सेज थे वो इस तरह डिज़ाइन किए थे कि जो हमारे सबसे पहले मैथमेटिकल फाउंडेशंस को इन्हांस करते थे एंड देन एट द एंड ऑफ वी वर एबल टू सेलेक्ट आवर इलेक्टिव कोर्सेज जहाँ पे हम लोग किस करियर पाथ को चूज़ करना चाहते हैं उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम लोग हमारे अपने कोर्सेज चूज़ कर सकते थे. इफ़ आई टॉक अबाउट द एनवायरनमेंट एट नमल यूनिवर्सिटी, there were a lot of people at Namal University जो कि different districts से. So you have to learn a lot of other cultures as well. So if I talk about faculty members, so faculty members were very top notch in mathematics department. If I talk about different professors like Dr. Israr, Dr. Adil, Dr. Bukhari, who actually made the department foundation very well. And now even though there are new teachers are coming over there and they are performing very well. So one of the key feature at Namal University within mathematics department that was the final year project. Actually mathematics department में other universities में अक्सर final year projects नहीं होते because it's considered to be a theoretical subject. यहाँ पे in the last year we were able to do a final year project. My final year project was non-negative matrix factorization. That was towards the industry actually. So at the end of our degree there was an open house. So at that time I was able to get my job even before graduating from Namal University Mianwali. Currently I'm working within Systems Limited. It's one of the top-notch software within Pakistan. I'm working as demand forecasting executives. So where I'm working with international clients. Everything that I learned from Namal University, the analytical skills, the skills to analyze the data, because that was the time when we were thinking like why we were doing these courses. These courses are very tough, a lot of other stuff, but that really helped us to pursue our job very effectively. So अगर आप एजुकेशन के साथ साथ अपने ज़िंदगी के 4 साल और कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स और ऐसी स्किल्स जो कि आपको फर्दर इंडस्ट्री में भी हेल्पफुल हों एंड यू वांट टू परस्यू योर BS degree, I must definitely encourage you to apply at Namal University Mianwali. Thank you.